Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove water from a tire. So as you can see, I have my towel and a pair of gloves. So let's get started. We're now outside, we're on the deck, and for the tire that I'm using, I ordered it from Amazon. Not Amazon. I ordered it from Walmart. I'm so used to ordering stuff from Amazon. I ordered it from Walmart.com and they shipped it to my house, but I need to get it installed on my truck. But when I got the tire, I set it out on the deck and I was like, oh yeah, I'll get it installed this weekend. Of course it rained and I ended up with water in my tire. Now, this is fine if you just have one tire. You can just stand the tire upright. As you can see, it's not much water. Gravity pulls it down. And then you can use an old towel and just absorb the water out of the tire. So as you can see, I just placed my towel inside the tire. I'm wiping it out. And then I'll continue to rotate the tire to dry out the remaining moisture from that tire before I take it to Walmart. Now, if you have either a very heavy tire or multiple tires, the easiest way to do it quickly is with the wet vac. But this was just one tire, wasn't too heavy, and it only took me about 1 minute at the most to get this water out. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.